First, you're going to mix alcohol and water together to see what will happen. Measure 50 cubic centimeters of alcohol and 50 cubic centimeters of water with two separate measuring cylinders. Pour the water into the alcohol. Gently shake the measuring cylinder to mix the liquids. Record the volume of the mixed liquid. We can see that the volume of the mixed liquid is smaller than the sum of the volumes of the two liquids. The phenomenon observed in part A can be simulated by mixing together two different kinds of particles that are large enough to be visible. For example, soybeans and rice grains. Measure 50 cubic centimeters of soybeans and 50 cubic centimeters of rice grains with two separate measuring cylinders. Pour the rice grains into the soybeans. Shake the measuring cylinder gently to mix the content thoroughly. Record the total volume of the mixed content. We can see that when rice grains and soybeans are thoroughly mixed, the rice grains get into the spaces between the soybeans. Hence, the volume of the mixed content is smaller than the sum of the volumes of soybeans and rice grains. This experiment provides evidence to support the idea that there are spaces between the particles of matter. When mixing alcohol and water thoroughly, the smaller water particles fit into the spaces between the larger alcohol particles. This is just like the smaller rice grains fitting into the spaces between the larger soybeans. As a result, the volume of the mixed liquid is smaller than the sum of their individual volumes,